In this video, I'm going to show you how to wrap text around an image in Affinity Studio. So the first thing you have to do here inside Affinity Studio is you want to have some text. Like me here, as you can see, I have two separate text pages over here, and then you want to go to the layout section. When you are on your layout section over here, you want to then of course create a shape into which you're going to put your image. So I'm going to just create, for example, over here, one rectangle. So let me actually make it like this. There we go. And then I'm going to also make one circle over here just to show you how things work. Now, when you do this here, I'm going to actually select this object and I'm going to replace it in an image, and I'm just going to put in a random image I have laying around over here, and it's going to pop in the image like that. And as you can see, it's currently not actually wrapping it around. So if you want to wrap around, this is very important over here, and the most crucial part, you don't have to click on the text, so don't click on the text, select the image instead. And when you select the image, then go to the text button up top, go to the very bottom where it says text wrap, go to show text wrap settings, and here you can select how you want it to be. So let's say I want it to be tight over here, and then I'm going to click on like that, tight, and then close. And as you can see, when I move this image around, the text is wrapping around. Now, of course, this is not just inside this box, but if I go to the second text box over here, it's also going to apply, okay? Which is very, very cool. Then just place it however looks good. So for me, it doesn't really look good right now, but for you, you will, of course, stylize this to where it's going to actually look proper and something you want to do. And then if I go to the circle over here, for example, again, I'm going to replace the image and I'm going to put in a random image over here. There we go. And when you do this, again, go to the text section, text wrap, settings, and you can put it to whatever you want. So if I do like square, close, as you can see, it's not working no matter where I put my image. So that's basically how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.